Welcome to Penthouse 1904 at Bayso, right in the heart of downtown Sarasota. This gorgeous new modern listing is equipped with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, as well as an extra bonus room in order to meet all of your needs. This home also includes a secondary prep kitchen. Let's go take a look. Let's check out the primary suite. Follow me. Why don't we go check out that 1,500 square foot terrace? Come with me. Thanks for joining us today at Penthouse 1904 at Bayso. For more information on this property and other properties in the Sarasota area, go to treatmentteam.com. The link is provided in the description below. Also, we would love to hear from you. What was your favorite part about today's tour? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you soon.